how to delete Reels history on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Reels history on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And now under settings and privacy, just tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply tap on the search bar at the top and there simply find activity log and tap on it. Now here, once you're inside the activity log, you have to scroll down and tap on your Facebook activity. And here under your Facebook activity, you simply have to scroll down and tap on manage post. And now here on the next page, you'll see the interface like this. Now here just tap on the filters button at the top. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on categories. And after that, on the next pop-up menu, just select videos you have watched. And after that, on the next page, you'll see all the list of the reels that you have watched so far. So here what you can do is just tap on the option which can be seen in the top that says clear video watch history. So here you just have to tap on it and confirm by tapping on clear, and once you do that, your Facebook Reels history will be removed. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.